Welcome. Here, on 1SME Talks we focus on solutions that actually work. 10 techniques for developing a solid decision-making checklist. 1. Define the decision clearly. Before you can make a good decision, you must first define the problem or opportunity. Start your checklist with a clear, concise statement of what needs to be decided. For example, instead of, hire a new employee, your checklist should start with, decide on a budget and role for the next marketing hire. 2. Establish clear evaluation criteria. What factors will you use to judge potential options? This is where you should list your priorities. These criteria could include cost, time to implement, potential ROI, impact on customers, alignment with company values, or risk. Assigning a weighted value to each criterion can help with more complex decisions. 3. List and explore all viable options. Don't limit yourself to just 2 or 3 choices. Actively brainstorm and list all possible courses of action, even those that seem unconventional at first. A good checklist should force you to consider alternatives you might have otherwise overlooked. 4. Gather relevant information and data. A good decision is an informed one. Your checklist should include a step to gather the necessary data to evaluate each option. This could mean conducting market research, analyzing sales data, running a small test or pilot program, or talking to subject matter experts. 5. Assess the risks and rewards of each option. For each potential choice, your checklist should prompt you to identify the potential upsides and downsides. Ask questions like, what is the worst-case scenario, and can we survive it? And, what is the best-case scenario, and is it worth the risk? 6. Align with your business goals and values. A crucial step is to ensure the decision supports your long-term strategic goals and aligns with your company's mission and values. A checklist can ask, does this decision move us closer to our one-year revenue goal? Or, does this choice reflect our company's commitment to customer privacy? 7. Consult with key stakeholders and advisors. A checklist should include a prompt to get input from others. This could be your co-founder, your management team, key employees, or external advisors and mentors. A fresh perspective can often reveal blind spots and provide valuable insights. 8. Consider the impact on different stakeholders. A decision doesn't just affect you. It impacts your team, your customers, your investors, and your partners. Your checklist should force you to think about these consequences, ensuring you make a choice that is not only good for the business but also fair and responsible. 9. Set a deadline in a review process. Indecisiveness can be a startup's downfall. A good checklist includes a step to set a deadline for the decision. It should also include a plan for reviewing the decision after it's been implemented. For example, we will revisit this decision in 3 months to see if it's yielding the expected results. 10. Document the decision and rationale. The final step of the checklist is to formally document the